Hello, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. Let's talk about how to use words like so, well, and okay for fluent American English. Want to sound American? You can do it. speechmodification.com. These words, so, well, and okay, are called discourse markers in conversation. We use discourse markers to introduce a new topic, to summarize ideas, to join ideas, check for understanding, and to insert for thinking time when we're talking. So let me give you some examples. You can use the word so to introduce a new topic, to summarize at the conclusion of a topic, to clarify, and check for understanding. So let me give you some examples. If your boss says, "Make sure I have the report before the meeting," you can respond, "So I'll have the team work on that before the other project." Use the word okay to agree and continue a topic. So in our previous example, you could say, "Okay, I'll make sure you have it in time." Use the word well to disagree gently by being less direct. Using the word well, you can introduce an opposing idea politely. In our example, "Well, I'm not sure that there's enough time to do that." Okay, got a feel for some of the ways you can use these words? There are many additional discourse markers and ways to use them in conversation. Try to notice how native speakers around you use them. Want more help with your American accent? Subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos. You can find more videos and practice materials, sign up to work with me one-on-one, and get a free trial of any of my online courses on my website. Want to sound American? You can do it. speechmodification.com.